Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, the Nasdaq is looking pretty depressing. The futures are also looking bad. Let's take stock of what's happening with our genomic stocks. It's the midday report. Let's get started. Well, here we are in the TradingView platform and we are looking at the Nasdaq. Let's go to the futures and have a quick look at the futures as well. Nasdaq futures is down minus 3.17%. If you look at the technical charts here, we have the chart which is a daily candle out here. The daily candle shows a huge drop today of 3.18% in the futures, and it has not only breached the 9-day and the 20-day exponential moving average, but also has breached through the 50-day exponential, and it's kind of flirting now with the 100-day exponential moving average. If you look at the MACD, it's as far away from the signal line as possible in a bearish manner, and momentum has dipped very, very strongly. Next, let us look at QQQ, which is a kind of mirror image of the same. And I had put a resistance line, a support line out here, which has now turned out into a minor resistance because we have broken through it. I put this here yesterday, hoping that we'll have a little bit of a respite, but it's fallen down. Again, MACD is looking really bad. I want to go directly to our genomics side. Yesterday I did the AI first, so today I want to do the genomics first. I'm going to sort it out for the winners on the top because we want to look at the winners first. PSEB is doing great. The chart is looking good, except that the MACD is moving towards the signal line, trying to cross over to the bearish side. That's the only concern. Otherwise, 3 continuous days of green candles and gains. And it has already made the 9-day and the 20-day exponential moving average as supports. Plus, there is already a golden cross out here where the 9-day has crossed over the 20-day. It's pretty good. Momentum is above average and picking up. So looking good so far. Ginkgo Bioworks up 1.23%. Momentum still below average. MACD is moving away from the signal line in a bullish manner. So that's a good sign for DNA. Illumina is up 1.06%. It has managed to convert the 100-day exponential moving average, which is at 115.59, into a support. So that's a very positive achievement for today. And momentum is above average and slightly picking up. So that's also good news. The only bad news here is that the MACD is ready to cross over the signal line in a bearish manner. So that's the only thing I'm worried about. And we have earnings coming up on 6th of August. So we'll see how Illumina fares. I think it's going to consolidate until the earnings happen. And then the earnings will be the catalyst. Now let's look at Beam Therapeutics, which is up 0.16%. Still maintaining a support of 29.41. Momentum is pretty good and RSI is almost overbought. So it needs to cool off a little bit. It could go up a little, but I think looking at the MACD, it seems more likely that it may go up a little bit before going sideways. MACD is very bullish and it's moving away from the signal line. That's good for Beam. And if you look at CRISPR Therapeutics, it was down 1.07%. And at 56.58, I think the stock is pretty cheap. But of course, that's my personal opinion. We have got the earnings coming up on 29th of July 2024. 5 more days to go, Monday next week. And if they have some catalyst, which the CEO promised last time, 18 months of catalyst, I would expect some catalyst to come out in the earning, and that could push up CRISPR Therapeutics. Altimmune is struggling. It's down minus 2.02%, and momentum is also weak, and MACD is also bearish. So I don't think there is much out here for Altimmune. It's looking as weak as ever. And Intellia is down 1.74%, and we have 9-day exponential average performing support role today. Momentum is above average, but moving in the wrong direction. It's going downwards. And MACD is also moving in the wrong direction. It's moving towards the signal line to cross over to the bearish side. Intellia not looking that great on the chart. ARCG was down 2.05% as of 2:36 p.m. today. And I can see that our 100-day exponential moving average and the 9-day exponential moving average are the nearest support that we have, and the 200-day exponential moving average is the resistance. And our momentum, though it is above average, is dropping sharply, and MACD is also moving towards the signal line in a bearish manner, so not looking great. mRNA is down 2.58%. again looking very weak on the charts, and the 100-day exponential moving average is now become a resistance, and the 200-day exponential moving average is performing the role of a support. What will ensure now is a series of death crosses. The chart is looking very weak in my opinion. Nano down 1.73%, Grail down 2.54%, Editas down 3.39%, and we have the 9-day exponential performing a very glorious support role today. Momentum is just above average, but it is dropping very fast, not looking good. MACD is also not looking good, even though it's bullish, it's ready to cross over to the bearish side. Prime is down 3.97%. IMTX is down minus 4.02%. IMTX is starting to look weak. Momentum is just at average, but dropping very sharply. And MACD is ready to cross the signal line to become bearish. Caribou Biosciences is down 4.58%. That's a lot, but still the 9-day exponential is valiantly trying to hold on and give support. Momentum is above average, but dropping very steeply, not good. MACD is also ready to move over to the bearish side. It's inching closer to the signal line. And we have earnings coming up on 6th of August. Hopefully there is some catalyst out there. Allogen is down 4.87%. MACD is moving towards the signal line to cross over the bearish side. Not a good sign. Momentum is above average, but it is dropping sharply. And the 100-day exponential moving average has now become a resistance. We already have 9-day exponential trying to support the price, but I think the MACD has got other ideas. It's moving towards the signal line to cross over to the bearish side. Momentum is also dropping fast, even though it's well above average. And again, earnings on 8th of August. And Bluebird Bio is down 7.26%. And we have the 9-day exponential moving average converted into a resistance because the price has fallen below that. Bluebird is at 1.15 and the 9-day exponential is at 1.16. So it's very interesting. Momentum is above average but dropping very fast. MACD is also ready to cross over to the signal line. So all of these things bring me to the fact that we have to look at the heat map. Now, when I look at the heat map out here, I can see that a lot of money has moved out of the Magnificent Seven. Money has also moved out of financials. Money has moved out of insurance, and money has moved out of entertainment, home improvement, travel services, consumer cyclical, auto manufacturing, a whole lot of sectors. But if I zero in on the healthcare sector, only Lilly has lost that much. But if you were to look at the subsectors like healthcare plans, they are doing well. Diagnostic research is doing well. Medical instruments is doing well. Medical distribution is doing well. Medical care facilities is doing well. The biotechnology area is suffering. And we have mRNA, which is the biggest loser. And Regeneron and Vertex are very close behind. So we are looking at a bit of a problem out here for genomic sector. So I think the money has gone out of genomic sector into other areas. And I think the biggest beneficiary out here seems to be energy and utilities. Those are the areas where I think the money has gone in from genomics potentially. So that's how I would look at it. And I think it's going to be the story that money goes in and out of genomic sector and people make some 5 or 6% in that rotation. So that's what I think is happening out here. Nobody has 100% conviction in genomics and they want to come into genomics, but once they get the profit, they see other avenues, they take the profit, they go out and then they come back again. Maybe that's what is happening. That's my guess. I would like you guys to let me know what you think. What's going to happen to the genomics sector, and maybe we have to wait as long as September before things start improving for genomics. Please let me know your reactions, what is happening with your genomic stocks in your portfolio. Put your ideas in the comments. I'd like to know what you think. So with that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. Thanks and have a great day, and bye for now.